see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Safe naman yun. Nang parking, may monkey dun, no? Pero sila pa. Ang sarap ng tuyo.
She's clean. You'll see. Dirty.
She only took water.
You had to shower. Like, how long ago? You sleeping on? Out of that?
Luto ulit kami ng kanin.
Thank you, guys. Yum,
Sorry, guys. Oh, stop thinking. Come on.
Ang ingay na nila kasi kumain na sila. Tapos na sila lahat. Si Kat, nagluluto ulit ng rice. Ayan, nahanap ko na, nawawala kayo. Good morning. Yan, kain na kami. Kararating lang nila galing sa golf. Oh, pangalawang rice na yan ni Kuya, oh.
Is that your coffee, guys?
Kasi si Sak ngayon linggo, yung kanya yung ano, lesson, golf lesson. What you gonna say, Kuya? Always.
Ito lang yung ano ba mo?
Oo. Ayan na yan.
Yung biruka mo.
Oo. Ito yung binili namin kahapon sa Asian store. Yung manipis na isda, prinito ko, oh. And magsusuka kami. Ma'am, ay may mamasitang ganito.
Remember we went to Melbourne and got through those golf club for Sean? He was there.
Oh, really?
He was club fitting the kids.
Ah, for the size of their... Are you gonna get one? You gonna get one? Or what you gonna do with the other golf sticks?
Well, the two heavy and two big, the ones he's got, because he said that's for when you're 8 and 9. I knew that, but he wouldn't listen.
That's
As much as two does.
Are you sure? O bibilan si Sak ng golf stick, yung sukat sa kanya kasi yung kanya mabigat yun, tsaka mahaba. Hoy, I thought you're not gonna eat. When Tito Dan asked you, I'm not eating. And then why are you there? Okay lang. Ikaw gusto mo? Wag na. Ako okay na to. Okay na. Marami na tayo. Sabi niya, hindi siya kakain, si Sak. Tapos, oo, wag na. Okay na yan. Kain na kami, guys. And, inom ako ng beroka. Ang ihi ko nito, ganun din ang kulay.
Yung biruka?
Oh, orange.
Talaga.
Thank you.
Ingat man
Yeah,
na.
thanks very
Thanks,
much.
John.
I
That's right,
appreciate
mate.
Alis na kami, guys.
The club and everything.
Kids love it and everything.
That's so good.
Thank you, Dan.
That's all right. Take care.
Thank you so much. You too.
Hey, Chona. Oh, sorry.
See you, John.
Hey, you got 50 years of Chona, John.
Oh.
Look him in the eye.
Yeah, mate. See you
Thanks,
later.
Say
Shelly.
thank you.
Zachary,
Asan daw yung chocolate ni ano eh? Hali. Nasa bag?
didn't you get all the chocolate on the table?
Wait, where's the opening?
You got everything.
Oh, we got it all, Bubba.
What about Holly's? Holly's cup.
Where's my footy?
In your seat. Good.
Your shoes daw, Dan. Kuya, Sak, say see you to Tito Dan na. Say thank you. Did you say thank you, Tito Dan,
Yeah.
Holly?
Holly, quick.
Quick to Tito
Zachary.
Dan.
Tito Dan.
Stop it.
Just everything. Holly, cuddle Tito Dan.
Hurry up.
Come on.
High five.
High five.
Tito Dan.
Kasi Dan. Tito
Kiss
Dan.
Gracie.
Tito Dan.
Huh? Are you ready?
I did Tito Ray's though.
She did already.
It's in the back.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Huh?
talaga.
Thank you, Manay.
Guys, nakalis na ako kila Race and pupunta kami sa Harbor Town bago umuwi kasi bibila namin Harbor Town.
We're not there yet.
We're going.
I know, and get my new shoes.
Yun.
I really want those ones really cool.
Which one?
Asics. They're cool.
What happened is na hindi kasi kasya sa kanya yung kahapon yung pinunta nila. Nagsukat si Sak malaki sa kanya. So tingin kami sa Harbor Town. And then ako hindi maayos ang aking pakiramdam kasi alam niyo yung nagpigil kasi kung umihi kanina kasi nag-edit din ako kasi kanina alas 5. Natapos ko siya and na-upload ko kila Rex. Thank you, naka-upload ako ng isa. Yun yung Lemon Challenge yung mapapanood nyo mamaya. And for sure, mapanood nyo na to. Mapanood nyo na yun bago pa to kasi ang tagal pa nito ma-upload itong vlog na to. But yeah, nagpigil ako mag-ihi kasi si Holly nakasandal ba sa akin. So ayaw ko siyang magising. Tapos nung umihi ako, pabalik-balik na. Tapos konti-konti lang. Tapos ang sakit. Parang ngayon, very uncomfortable ako ngayon. Oh. So but anyway, inom na lang tayo ng maraming tubig. And yeah, so punta muna kami ng Harbor Town bago kami umuwi. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say thank you Tito and Tito Ray's.
Thank you, Tito John and Tito Rice.
So yun, mamaya na lang. And then yun, hindi na ako nakapagkilay or lipstick. Wala kahit ano, moisturizer lang. At saka sunscreen. Pauwi naman kami, okay lang yun. So yun guys, thank you. Mamaya lang ulit.
There's rice.
Ha? Dito na kami sa Harbor Town. Naglalakad na kami papunta dyan. Harbor Town. Are you excited, Zach?
Jack, you're not getting your shoes, alright?
You're not getting shoes daw, Zach. Binibiro ni Jan si Zach na hindi siya bibila ng shoes. Hoy! Watch out for the car. Yeah, look for the car. Go, Papa, go! Careful! Oh, right. Oh, grabe siya. No, I'm not sure. Okay, go, Baba. No, you cannot, Baba. You can't. Don't try. Go. Stop. Be careful because you're pitutoy. Come on, this way. Hoy, Zachary, Holly, come on. Hold your sister. Yeah, feel huh? What? No, we don't have time to play. Zach, that's enough. Yeah, later on the way back, Baba. No, Holly, no playground, Baba. Holly. Hoy, come on, hurry up. We're not gonna play, Baba. We don't have time to play. Daddy's over there. Oh, hurry up. Careful. Watch out where you're going. Holly, go there with Daddy. Dito kami sa Intersport. Gusto ni Sak Asics eh. Asics shoes. $15% off dito oh. Gusto niya kasi Asics eh. Go find.
Alright. Stop some Asics. I think these are.
Yeah, no worries.
He's 1.5.
Which ones we chose?
Which one?
Yeah, like this one.
Is there a certain kind you like? Which one you want, Zach? Blue one again?
That's it.
Nice.
I can say I think he's 4. Is he?
Are you 4?
1.5.
4.5?
How many?
4.
1.5. Close your up.
Can we miss your foot?
They don't about
Look.
Huh? You got new shoes? Yeah. Ayan, Saka, sit down.
sit down.
I-measure yung size ni Sak.
Yeah, I reckon a size 1 for room.
Yep. No
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Stevie got one.
Size 1.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you.
We moved it at the end.
So you need another one.
I need another pen. Dad.
Yung kahapon yung binili niya, ayan.
Hello.
Yan yung shoes niya. So what these shoes for, kuya? For school shoes? So kailangan niya ng foodie shoes kasi ganun na raw yung paa niya. Ganun na, oh. Yeah, that one na. Try that, oh.
These ones that.
Yellow.
They're cool.
They're girls. They're women. Girls.
What's so girls?
Doesn't say.
Whoa. Next.
Netball. Oh. Wala siyang size ng ganun na style. Poor Saki. That's Asics, huh?
What about them, sir?
How about that? Try that one? Ayun yung may velcro. Gusto
They
niya
don't
yung...
have your size, mate. What about these are the same. Pretty well just got a Velcro there, which is easy. You're going to grow out in a week.
Which one? There's no size for that one, Zach.
Where'd that one go?
That one.
Exactly the same shoes, just a little bit orange in them. Alright. Want to try this one?
That's a 12, that one.
Walang size.
We don't have the one in this. We've got,
Wala rin palang size noon.
What you might do is just
And then we'll come back.
no worries.
Okay, thank you.
you might just come and try that.
Footish foot.
Okay.
Okay, go try your footy shoes. Come on. Dito tayo, Holly. Kay Kuya, para sa kanyang footy shoes.
Well, we saw
Yung linitan ni Kuya, kay Sak na lang. No, wawa man si Saki. Why not?
Oh, remember I wanted one of these ones, but we
Vlogging,
Okay.
yeah.
Nice.
Which one? What color?
cool.
It's winter now, huh? It's alright. Just try, Han. Okay, try that, Kuya.
They're a little bit big, they're a 5.
I don't know what size you after.
What size are you, Kuya? 4.
They're 5, they're very big.
Okay, I'll go see if you've got size 4.
Ito pala yung ating OOTD today, guys. Gamit ko na yung... What's this, Han? Ay, hindi ko mabasa. Under Armour pala siya. Hindi, akala ko. Para kasing pareho ng ano. Wala lang nga ang galiti pa. So, ayan na. Gamit ko na. Extra large to, guys. Pero okay lang, oh. Ayan. Tapos, Adidas na. White, dirty white shoes or white shoes. So, ayan.
Yeah.
Holly.
I didn't see that. Should we change it?
Yeah. What color? Why? Bombers.
Lady just went out there.
Gusto ni Kuya kasi kakulay ng bombers. Sinusukat na ni Kuya yung kanya footy shoes. Wow. Hindi ganyan mawawala, Kuya.
Yeah, they're quite big.
Yeah. No, you won't be able to kick properly.
Yeah.
A bit bigger.
So,
What size are you, Kuya?
Yeah, they're the size 5 and
5.
yeah, they're a bit big.
Malaki ng isa. Size 5 yan. Size 4 si Kuya.
Not have much luck, you kids.
Walang size pareho.
Oh, just go after that one.
So, dito kami titingin kasi wala size yung mga bata doon. Dito tayo sa Sports Power. So, dito tayo maghanap.
I like the naughty food in here.
Yeah. Some boys, classic.
Ayan, konti lang yung choices nila din. Sana may size ka.
Yeah,
Size 1, yeah. You got size 1? Yung size 1 nila may velcro. Ang gusto ni Sak, yung walang velcro, hindi, walang size sa kanyang ganun. Lahat ng size 1 is may velcro talaga, kahit saan. So you have to try this one, Sak. Try this one.
This one?
Yeah, but they don't have like that, love.
This one, four?
Say, I don't have your size, alright? So no kids in the world, alright?
Okay, get different daw. Wala din sila dito ng size ng mga bata, guys.
Let's put this small Irish velcro.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, come on. So, tingin ulit tayo sa ibang store. So, lumabas kami doon. Dito naman tayo sa Sports Run Out.
Mom, this one's on the tripod.
Here? Come on, Baba. Baba, no. Hello. Come here. I'm here. No, you can't. Come here. Parang wala naman dito. Ano size?
Just can't let you go.
What?
Lord knows that I
Size
tried
2? No, size 1. Saka is size 1. That's too big, hon.
This one's two, Dad.
You made this mess.
Ito rin yung nandito. Wala talaga yung gusto ni Sak. Gusto niya lang shoelace lang, walang velcro. Ayaw niya.
I wanna but can't focus.
You're not wearing big clothes around like this, you won't get any.
Ayaw niya talaga yan, oh. So, wala. Come on. So, walang nagustuhan si Sak. Labas ulit tayo dito, guys. Pangatlo na namin tong, store. Punta ako dito. I'm gonna go here, ha? Maghiwalay na kami ni John. Dito tayo. Hi! Oh, wait for mommy here, oh. Maghanap ako ng mga, pang winter. Okay? Oh, stay here. Wow! Ito maganda, oh. Parang, mustard yung kulay niya. Napaka-soft. Tsaka yun, oh, ang cute din, oh. Wait, mommy gonna find my size, okay? Hinahanap niya si daddy niya. Okay. Thank you. It's yours? Okay. You want that one? Is it pretty? Gusto niya si daddy niya. Ito gusto ko rin ito, oh. Tignan natin. Cute niya, oh. May polka dot siya dyan. $29.95. Ayan. Large to. Gusto ko yung malalaki. Ayan. So, ito na lang, no? Large. Hindi ko nasukatin. Kasi wala tayong oras. And si Oli, ayun, hawak niya yung isa. Oh. Try on, Baba. Look. Is it pretty? Let me see. You like it? Gusto niya kasi malambot. Okay, you want daddy. Okay. Binigay niya yung yellow sa akin. Eto, how about this one? You like that? Okay. Gusto yung pink. Maganda siya. Okay, you want daddy.
Small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you. And the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes.
Come on, Baba.
Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
Dito na si Kuya. What you got? Oh, an Asik one. How about Zach? Did Zach get?
That we can't find any.
Oh, poor Zaki. Okay, give me that one, Baba.
Hi, Mom.
Say hi, Kuya. Okay, Mommy, hold that one. Thank you. Mommy, hold this, okay? Nandito na sila, oh. Tapos na sila mag-shopping ng sapatos. Wala pa rin kay Sak. Sak, what's wrong with you, Sak?
You'll be alright. You got new golf sticks. though.
Hi. Good, thank you.
Just these?
Yes, please, thanks.
Your receipts in it?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, let's go. Ayan, tapos na kami. This is my clothes. This is not yours. Dito ako, sa alley fashion. Andun sila, kasama si Holly. 2 for $15.
Smoke, breathing, let me go. Feeling the lumps inside you. And the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control.
Wala akong nakita dito sa alley. Labas tayo. Nasaan na sila? Saan pa kaya? Nasaan na sila? Hanapin ko muna sila, guys. Hindi ko sila mahanap. Punta muna tayo dito sa MCL. Ayan. MCL Fashion. Pasok tayo dito.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But
Wala akong nakita dito sa MCL. Nasaan na ba yung cotton on? Cotton on tayo. Pasok tayo dito sa cotton on. Wala rin ako nakita sa cotton on. Daming tao. Nagmamadali rin kasi kami. Nandito yung mga bata sa playground. Tsaka si John. Yan sila. Go, Baba! I'm gonna go toilet time. Horse on.
That's why we're in
Go, Baba! Oh, yay! Where's Daddy? Come on. Dito si John. Ayan, dito kayo sa JT Surf Outlet. Oh. Huh?
We went back in that shop.
Are we going back there? I thought we're done.
What's this?
I'm not sure. Get up, Howie.
Just tell me.
Ayan si John. What you got, hon?
Good thing.
Track and jump. What kind? Harley? Huh?
Yeah.
Ah, Quicksilver. Ah, Quicksilver. Ayan, tapos na kayo sa Rubber Town and as usual, walang sapatos si Sak. Why, Sak? Because what?
Because it wasn't a size. Because they said They don't have Zach sauce.
Yeah, they don't have.
Only got
How many store you went on for?
Not three.
3 times, eh?
3 times each store. Pabalik-balik sila kasi wala talaga silang makuha ang size ni Sak. And si Sak ayaw niya, meron sana yung may velcro. Ayaw ni Sak na may velcro. Gusto niya shoelace. Gusto niya katulad kay kuya niya na, yun nga, may sintas. So sabi ni Jan, tingin na lang daw sa mount. Right? Sak, you gonna go shopping?
East.
Ha?
I'm not going shopping at the mall.
What? What?
I'm not going shopping. But not shopping.
Why?
This is shopping.
Ah, okay. Hindi raw yun shopping, guys. So, bili lang siya ng sapatos sa mom. So, yan. Drive na kayo pa uwi. And, yan. Doon na lang tayo siguro sa bahay magkita. Or, kung mag-stop kami summer para kumain ng lunch, hindi ko alam. So, but, yan. Mamaya na lang ulit, guys. Ayan. Nag-stop muna kami dito. Dito kami sa Keith. Kung saan yung famous na country chicken. Kakain kami. But, yung dalawa yan. Mag-kick muna sila ng puti. Careful! Ano na? 4:35? 4:30. What time is it, Han? 4:30. Holly, stay here. What are you doing, Papa? Flower for who? Oh, thank you. She gave me flower. Flower. What color? Purple. Thank you. Watch out, Holly. Oh, another one for Mama. Thank you. Why are you blowing it? Huh? Thank you. Yeah. Malamig. Good job, Zach. Yan yung binili ni Jan na footy ball kahapon. Come on. Okay, come on. What's that? Chicken. No, Mommy will get the one. Okay, let's go.
Go, Mummy. Quick.
Yan yung masarap na chicken. Ayun. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oops. Ayan. Yung mga boys nasa labas pa, naglalaro pa ng footy. Mag-order na tayong chicken. Ayan, dito na sila. And si John, kumuha siya ng ham and cheese with tomato sandwich. Dati yung kinuha niya last time, salad sandwich with ham. Yung chicken namin, wala pa. Ito na yung bargain box. And in-upgrade ko ulit yung chip sa large. Kasi $1 lang naman yung idadagdag. So, ito yung binigay nilang chicken. Minsan, gusto ko sana may mga buto-buto. Yung maraming buto. Ayan, oh. Ilan ba ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of chicken. Ayan, 5 pieces. Yes, okay. And, tubig yung kinuha ko. Hindi Fanta or Coke. Yes. Yes. Ayan, tapos na kayo mag-dinner dito sa Kiss. What we had? Ano? Chicken. And come on, let's go.
Hey, look.
Tingnan nyo yung sunset. Oh. Tingnan nyo yung sunset. Tara na, Holly. Come on, stop picking flowers. Come on, let's go. Alis na kami, guys. Dire-diretso na to. Come on. No, stop now. Come on. Tumakbo si Holly. Nagpahabol sa daddy niya. Python. Ayan, bahay na kami, guys. 8:05 ng gabi kami nakarating. Ayan si Sak. Pinulungan niya si daddy niya para ilabas yan sa car. So, let's say goodnight now. Close the vlog na, Baba. Come on. Kailangan nga natin ito. Say goodnight.
I see bunny.
Here, come here, Mama.
What people?
Sak, say goodnight now.
Come on.
Good night, Baba. Holly! Asan si daddy?
Go over there, go over there.
Tingnan mo yung dinosaur na bigay ni Dan sa kanila, oh. Ay, kay Kuya TJ to. Yung kay Sak eto, oh. Ah, sorry, ha. Iron Man. Piniprepare na ni Jan yung lunch order nila para bukas. Ayan naman sila. Okay, good night na muna. Oh, good night. Good night. Isa yan sa nakuha ni Sak na regalo galing sa amin. Nung nagpunta sila sa toy store. Say good night na, Baba.
Say good night.
Okay, good night, people.
Good night.
Say good night.
Good night.
Okay, good night, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Advance happy birthday tomorrow. Birthday na bukas.
Tomorrow's my birthday. I just need to call someone.
Okay. Bye. Okay. Okay, hon. Good night, guys.
Hi, Davisha Tampatma.
Dan,
Dan.
Rumias,
Mia.
Kathleen,
Jackson.
Guarin,
Ray.
Glenilyn,
Ray.
Asiloche,
Letters.
Jerome,
Ron.
Lopez,
Lopez.
Donelli,
Nurali.
Ann.
M. Hey,
Guys. Say Baba.
Where's Jonathan?
Andito si Pang. Wow! Japan! Yan, galing tong Japan. Let me see your face, Baba. Come here. Yeah, this is... Kasi nag-ano si Jan, nag-charter si Jan. Ngayon yung kabila. So, ayan. Alam niyo ba kung anong isda to? Hindi raw ko pala ulo ng blue eye. Ayan.